You hear me?
That's like saying that you're a liar, but I'm not
Why
lying.
you sound so depressed as I told you that?
Because it's like, it's weird. Like, I like you as a friend, and you telling me you actually like me.
So you don't like me back?
You ain't nothing but a broke boy, broke, motherfucking motherfucking boy.
As I was looking through my DMs the other day, go look. This McQueen got a video, Diamond. Go look. Flight team, stand up! Almost lost my breath. That was a weak one. That was really weak. Like, it low-key was, because I was about to, you know what I'm saying, lose my breath while talking. What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team, stand up! That was much better. You know what I'm saying? It's Tuesday. Now, I was expecting like a lit-ass different reaction. You know what I'm saying? We was gonna move on, and I promise you guys that everything, that was the last of the person I had, you know what I'm saying, to anything of this so-called drama that we're going through early on in 2019. Now, my son is acting up. Alex is messing up. I can't find his bottle anywhere, and you know what happens when you can't find a baby's bottle. For you parents that are out there, I know. It sucks, because it's like the littlest thing you just have to do, and you can't find it, and they will just non-stop whining. Like, that's what I'm going through right now. And when a baby doesn't get their bottle, they become very, very evil. Unfortunately, Mr. Alex Reacts, he's acting up, man. Now, I'm just chilling. I'm on stream the other night, man. Like, and bro, why didn't anybody tell me I have to deal with like the most Hall of Fame biggest versions, bro, in the 2K community? The 2K community has the most biggest versions I've ever seen, bro. Like, I had to sit up there and deal with like 30, 40 minutes, like worth of trying to like figure out like if these people be delaying, booting people offline and ish like that, man. Bro, get a life, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all that is watching this, like, if you know that they be doing that ish, send them to send this to them, bro. Like, you have no life. You're a virgin. You'll always be a failure. Anyway, moving on from that nonsense, bro. Mr. McCringe is back at his antics again, and this time, man, he is gonna be sneaking and sleeping, I guess, in my ex's bed, Diamond, and I thought he just would have just honestly waved the white flag. I just don't know, like, what is it gonna take for him to just officially wave the white flag? I've already won! There is nothing you can do! Now, since you wanted to be petty with this and continue this, I was still gonna take Miss Sonia out on a date anyway, but now I'm gonna exceed the expectations of the eloquence of the date even more. I need everybody right now before I continue. Comment down below what fancy restaurant, especially people that live out in California. I'm in LA, the Los Angeles area, all right? Give me like the most top 5 restaurant like in California. You know what I'm saying? I might mess around and be in Malibu Beach or something. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know on social where should I take Miss Sonia next. All right? And
I do actually like.
I really hope this is clickbait, but even if it's still clickbait, I'm still taking Miss Sonia out. He doesn't know when to stop.
I'm like, fuck this bitch, no
Bobby Big.
I'm gnarly bitch, I watch that tummy rip, tummy tuck, fuck it up, cut the pussy, shut him up.
He doesn't know when to stop. Now, you guys know what we always usually do. We're like 3 of 3 with doing this. My gut feeling is telling me to skip on right to the scene of the BS of what we came and clicked on the video for. And then another feeling is telling me not to skip over it, just to save the comments. But then also something is also telling me to skip over the BS. I'm gonna kind of just, you know, skimmer through it. Okay, he looks like he's cooking, drinking milk, putting peanut butter in milk. I don't know what he's doing. That's not gonna get you any stronger, Alex. Let's see here. What is he gonna say?
I came up with something. You know, sometimes when you get into a situation, you get caught up with like the anger and all the.
Okay, so something's telling me not to skip the video. So I'm gonna need everybody right now once again, because we're about to be forward with this, man. We're gonna go back. You know what I'm saying? Just about right, maybe here, something like that, maybe here. Thank you, Flight, for not skipping over the video, because this is gonna be one of those again. Yeah. We're not going to be doing no pausing, by the way, everybody, I promise. So that'll be my last time pausing the video and anything.
Shake, man.
because I don't want to watch my son drink milk. You know what I'm saying? There's enough of that going along. You know what I'm saying? Because Miss Sonia is always supplying the milk. You know, she does her thing, but this is really cringy. Okay, thank you, Flight, for skipping over the BS right now. Thank you, Flight, for skipping over the BS. Thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Go on your phone right now. I'm not watching a man drink milk. Thank you, Flight, for skipping over the BS. This is more like it.
Mainly because, I'm not gonna lie, I've been sitting there thinking of ways.
You've been thinking of ways
to try and think of something where I can kind of even out the playing field.
Even out?
And
look, it's over. There's no evening out nothing.
What I mean by that is, I came up with something. You know, sometimes when you get into a situation, you get caught up with like the anger and all the, you know, the heat of the moment, and lose your way. You know, get off track. So I backtracked to that. Spent a lot of time thinking, and I'm over here preaching about, you know, her being 3 floors below me, and when I say her, you know what I'm talking about. I preach about that all the time, but I forget that that's also an advantage and a route that I could take in order to level out the playing field. So I just had to go back to square one today, and I came up with a great ass idea.
What's your great idea, Mr. Alex?
I'm gonna go over to Diamond's house. Now I'm not gonna say exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm gonna go over there, and I got something in mind that I want to try out.
Something in mind I want to try out.
Something that I know is just going to piss Balloon Head up.
Now, a lot of you guys thought you were funny with spamming my social media with FlightReacts after I said the person who does that gets blocked. This shit right here, if I see anybody call me Balloon Head, I'm finding your IP and we're squaring up 1v1. I mean it. I dealt with the Sid the Sloth. I dealt with FlightReacts. I dealt with L Reacts. I'm not dealing with Balloon Head Reacts. That's out the park. That's a home run. That's out of here. That's an instant block. Don't even think about it. Get off your phone. What are you doing? I see you back there in the corner. Get off your phone. Don't even try it. Continue.
It's gonna piss him off. Not a
Balloon Head? Is that the best you got?
Balloon Head is going to get pissed off if I do this, which I will, because I'm a queen. You know, once I put something in my head, I'm gonna do it. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do today, man. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I know you guys love seeing me do the things that McQueen does, just because I'm retarded.
Yeah, we all know that.
Whatever I'm doing, even if it's not really funny or if it's serious, you still see that I still make it somewhat entertaining. Okay, we can all agree we don't know what the heck he's talking about at this point. Skipping ahead just a little bit. Don't you know, it should be thank me for skipping the BS with the hand clap emojis and everything. You know what I'm saying? I see people that be doing that. I salute you. He's changing it to a hoodie. Still talking about BS that we probably don't know. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's go back a little bit more. Looks like he's in their crib. This is more like it. Just got done working out. You're welcome. This is protein. I'm about to go down to Diamond's house, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, okay? Bah! All right, John. So I'm here at Diamond's crib. I'm just gonna make it real casual because they don't know that I just got another camera. I mean, he's sitting at the stove. She's got some company over here. You don't know what the stove is, the stove. Yeah, it's the thing you can't stop smoking. Yeah, I'm just hookah addict. Start talking, start creating habits, start getting the mood right. Smoking is really bad for you guys, man. We talked about it earlier. It can damage your lungs.
No, it's not sitting here. Don't do me like that. Stop. Every time your vlog see me, my room is clean. Don't do me like that, please. Stop. Don't do that to me, Miss Queen. Fuck you.
That seemed like they was uncomfortable, sir. You lucky you're not even welcome in the house. Alex, stop acting up. Bro, why is my son acting up, man? Like, why are you terrorizing people, man? Leave them alone. They can't even do their hair in peace. And he's going back in the room again.
I have a question. But I need to see visuals. Well, the question's not going to be answered properly. You think? How come you won't open the door? Why don't you just clean up instead of being stanky? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not even recording.
Weirdo.
So, how many times, truly, honestly, because you have been gone for quite some time, I feel like you kind of forgot how it is to... Look, can I finish what I was saying first, please? Okay. Thank you very much. And you should take your feet off of that before you break it and you lose your deposit.
How are you going to tell somebody what to do in their own house? I need to teach this man a lot more rules, man. He needs, like my son is just... You know when people are lacking in certain manners? Sonia didn't teach you these manners, sir. What are you doing? How are you going to tell somebody what to do in their own house?
Well, anyways, I'm looking at for you in your pockets, okay?
I thought you paid for this time.
I do.
Oh, alright.
But you know.
Oh, alright.
I'm just making sure. Well, anyways, can we get back to the point? Because I feel like you forgot how it is to live in LA. You know what I'm saying? It's rough in these streets. Did you clean your Tushy?
Don't talk about my Tushy on the camera.
First of all, no one even knows what a Tushy.
Alex is extremely weird, man. I'm actually really scared. You know what I'm saying? When he has to go back to school in the next week or something. He was just on like break. Alex, do you have any friends? This is why I know this is why he comes home crying, you guys. This is why he doesn't, you know what I'm saying, have friends. This is, you know, before I was feeling sympathy for you, but you don't say, who says Tushy? Alex, your lingo is outdated. Wake up.
She is. She made that shit up.
No.
Okay, now where is the part with supposedly him sneaking in bed and some spicy thing he got going on? Because I don't see nothing happening. This looks like a whole lot of clickbait. You're welcome for skipping over to BS. Alex is getting beat up by girls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why did I have to pause right here? I'm about to click off the video, bro. Oh my gosh. Aqua headquarters. This is what you guys approve of? Oh my gosh. I just fucked around and got this man meme for 2019. Oh my gosh. He got his ass whooped by a girl and he has the strangest, cringiest positions. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't even know if I want this man to be my son. I don't condone that. No. I still don't see no diamond. This is a lot of clickbait. Oh, yep, oh, wait, never mind. Oh, okay. Thank you, Flight, for skipping over to BS. Hand clap emojis, you're welcome.
You want to talk to me?
Huh?
You want to talk to me? Come.
See how respectful I am?
Why are you shutting the door?
Because I gotta talk and think of this privacy, okay? If I wasn't gonna talk to you out there, that was just a public thing. Hang on. What the fuck you always got an attitude for?
Because you always play.
I'm just kidding with you, Diamond. You a cool ass girl. I just be playing with you, you know? You know?
Please, Diamond, do not make yourself look bad. You haven't even let me like sit on your bed. Like, or none of that stuff when we were talking. Like, that's messed up. I'm not mad about it. I was just like,
what you gotta talk to me about?
Please don't make yourself look bad.
Yeah. Cool,
I'm just saying.
So, basically, right? I don't know if you've been seeing what's going on. I know you called me because you said, you know, you did a video with Flight.
Yeah.
And you was talking about, oh, this and that. You want to be like kind of neutral in this situation.
Yeah.
And I understand that. But at the same time, I know you saw this nigga trying to fuck with my mom.
I did. I seen a little bit of it, but I really like.
But I'm pretty sure my sister.
Is he like trying to be petty? Like, cause I told him like, I kind of won't do videos with you anymore. But obviously, you know, at this moment you're recording, so.
Are you asking if he's trying to be petty?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he is. He's
No, I
trying
wasn't.
to be petty.
No, I wasn't.
So are you trying to be petty right now?
Yes.
Oh.
But listen.
This guy, bro, Alex, you have no game. I need to teach him a lot, man. He could have just said no. He just this guy.
I'm partially trying. I'm being honest with you. Mm-hmm. Okay. At least I'm not lying. I'm partially trying to be petty, but at the same time, you know, I do want to let you know that, like, when we did go on a date, even though you brought Miss Can over there, I did have a good time. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had fun. Like, I enjoyed both of y'all. What?
Damn.
You didn't enjoy me?
That sounds like a whole lot of friend zone type of wording. Don't tell me he's about to take a L. No. At least get away with the kiss on the cheek. If you're this far in a girl's bed.
I said both of y'all.
But I'm saying, what about you understand I was supposed to be on a one-on-one date, right?
Yeah, but at that moment, I couldn't just leave my friend out.
I understand that, but I'm saying, you know, I just need my credibility, okay? Because I did, you know, I did take you out on a date regardless, you know?
Wow.
You feel me?
Mm-hmm. Okay, McQueen, please get to the point.
My point is, while I may be being petty,
mm-hmm.
I do actually like kind of like you now.
What? You?
I'm not playing at all. I'm not.
You don't find that weird?
Why is it weird?
Like you like me, like actually want to talk to me?
Mm-hmm.
I think you're trying to be petty.
No,
This guy has no game. Like, imagine fighting so hard for somebody's sloppy seconds and you're failing. Like, bro, this is not gonna end up well for you. Please, I hope he. No, I don't hope he gets a W. I take that back. Put it back in my pocket. You are taking a huge L. If he gets rejected while in a room in her house,
Diamond.
please don't tell me that's gonna happen. He's not. She's even looking scared.
Trust me, I don't care how much I don't care how much I'm trying to be petty. If there was ever a situation where it was either be petty or actually like go through or something. Let me rephrase that. If there was ever a situation where I had the choice to be petty and have to, you know, spend time with a girl that I don't actually tolerate and like, then I promise you I would sacrifice not being petty for that. With that being said, yes,
what did he
I
just
may
say?
be being slightly petty, but I actually do mean what I say. You hear me?
That's like saying that you're a liar, but I'm not
Why
lying.
you sound so depressed that I told you that?
Because it's like, it's weird. Like, I like you as a friend, and you telling me you actually like me.
So you don't like me back?
I like you as a friend.
Damn, so you just gonna friend on me?
Can I get Abby input on this? Or no?
No.
Okay. I don't know what to say, but I'm shocked. I don't know if I'm gonna need to tell you to get out or like, yeah, get your ass out.
Damn!
Yeah.
Nigga!
Bye.
Why are you gonna tell me to get out?
Because like, out. I don't know what to say. Honestly, I don't.
Hold on.
Go.
gonna kick me out? Why are you kicking me out?
I know, right? It's like...
Smash up L's to Mr. Alex Reacts. You have, bro, Diamond. Bro, we gotta give her a fucking round of applause, bro. You gotta smash that girl shit up with like clapping emojis. I actually just gained all of my respect back for Diamond. I no longer dislike her. I no longer hate her. Like, I actually like fucked with her heavy for that shit. You really just rejected and friend-zoned my arch nemesis like this? Like, bruh, if this isn't the biggest W I have never taken in my life, bro, it's official. I've waved the white flag for you. Do I have a white flag? I have a white receipt, nigga. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. I'll be taking Miss Sonia out. Let me know down below in the comments or on social where should I take her. Remember, I need top 5 restaurants in the city of Los Angeles. It will happen this week. We're going out with a vengeance.
Flight team, stand up! What are you doing with your life right now, man? Wake up. Stop being a square. How you gonna sit up here and click on the video? How you gonna sit up here and click on anything on my social media without copping you some merch? Stop sleeping. Cop up. FlightReacts.com.